Welcome to Kalinga tutorial, Santikanan Baleswar. Hello students, that after examinations, how are you now? But actually now the situation is not good. In the pandemic situations, that how is your lesson? Definitely that you are thinking, so what to do? So Kalinga tutorial Baleswar, that for plus 2 science integrated course. Integrated means plus 2 science coaching plus NEET, IIT, OUT, entrance coaching. So that Kalinga tutorial is providing a coaching for you in the pandemic situations. We are ever ready to assist you if you want. Definitely that I am telling you one thing, it is a strong bonding institutions, strong affectionate bonding institutions. गोटे जमती कहवा गोटे सूतारे बंधा अनुष्ठान एठी जो माने सब काम करचंती that they are genuine. That means whatever you feel that online, offline, the same faculties. All the faculties are permanent. So that it is a good team and it is a educational family. No doubt, it is called a high educational family. So that a pandemic situation le ame तुमको cooperate दबा आम प्रस्तुत थु आम एवर रेडी टू असिस्ट यू इफ यू वांट. दिस इज चितरंजन नायक, लेक्चरर इन इंग्लिश. सो आई वांट टू स्टार्ट यू स्टूडेंट दैट whatever you have taught before grammar, just to revive it, because it is a long process to learn English grammar. Is a long process. It is essential, it is highly or predominantly essential for all students. कारण हमें जानिछु without English we cannot go ahead. Physics, chemistry, mathematics, the term and biology. So English is the foundation of your education. तेन तम शिक्षा पाई तमर हायर एजुकेशन शिक्षा पाई इंग्लिश होची गोटे जोटा कि सबुठ गोटे बड़ वेपन. English is the cheap weapon, the greatest weapon to make your career gracious, to make your career covetous. So that आज हम से ग्रामर किसी हमें डिस्कशन करिबा that जोटा कि तम पे बहुत आवश्यक. Syntax. Simply, syntax means arrangements of some words and the sentence which have a meaning. ame eha hi buchu that we understand, we make out that syntax. Syntax is the foundation of grammar. Grammar is very essential. Grammar is part and parcel for everyone. Grammar is indispensable part of every student's life. Every student's life will be flourished if they are, that means acquainted with grammar. Without grammar they cannot go ahead. It is the base of English. So in grammar, syntax is that the root foundation. Without syntax we cannot make a sentence. It indicates, it symbolizes, it highlights that arrangements of words and making a sentence syntax is essential. गोटे वाक्य तैयारी करबा पई किछि शब्द गुच्छ दरकार एवं से वाक्यर गोटे मीनिंग आसुथिबो जोटा कि सेटा को आमे सिंटेक्स बोली कहू स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ सेंटेंस केतेटा वर्ड को नहीं वाक्य केतेटा शब्द को नहीं वाक्य जोटा सो दैट very simply I am going to start with a sentence that time and tide wait for none. Try to understand the sentence. Time and tide. I समझते जानी चाहिए meaning. Time is money. Time is important factor for everyone. If you spend the time unnecessarily in the pandemic situation, you will suffer a lot. So that you have to use the time properly because you are the students and the students' life will be enhanced through accumulating knowledge. And English is that which creates high sense of knowledge. It is basically enhances your capacity to learn physics, chemistry, mathematics, everything. Definitely, time and tide. I want to say one thing. समय और जुआर कहा को अपेक्षा करे नहीं. So you see that एटा भी गोटे नाउन एटा भी गोटे नाउन दीटा नाउन अछि. किंतु verb टा okay wait or waits. Which is right? This is important. I mean, wait करवा ना waits. This is which is correct. Time and tide wait or waits. So generally it creates confusion among us because two subjects are there. आमे जानी छु जोटी दीटा सब्जेक्ट थिबो ता verb रे एस लागे ना because इटा plural हैला. If the subject carries a third person singular number, definitely we use S or ES. It is very simple thing. That means he goes. We say he goes, not he goes, because the subject is third person singular number. In case of third person singular number, we are well acquainted using S or ES. In the same way, time and tide, wait or waits, actually waits, not wait, because it is a compound noun. It is a compound noun. So any compound noun, it symbolizes a single subject. Likewise, bread and butter, bread and butter. Bread and butter. So bread and butter is not are. It is also a compound noun. So time and tide waits for none. समय और जुआर कहा को अपेक्षा करेनी. So that I am advising all the students through learning that time is money for you. You do not waste your time. You do not while away. जेमिति देखो waste. आमे गोटे पाइलो गोटे word waste. You do not waste your time. So instead of waste, आमे कौन यूज करि परिबा ना एहा यूज करि परिबा while away. While away. Don't while away your time. That means don't waste your time. I am going to say that you are well acknowledged that waste means while away. So while away, that means don't while away time. Don't while away time. In the sentence, you mark that while is a verb. You know that while is a conjunction used. While we are teaching, the others we are sleeping. So while is a conjunction, but in this sentence while may be a verb. हुए तो यही ता समस्त को knowledge रे नथिबो तो यही भली ଗୋଟେ conjunction भी verb रे व्यवहार हे परुची. Don't while away your time. So time and tide. We should go through proper pronunciation, not pronunciation. You all, that means we all are acknowledge that pronunciation. We are telling pronunciation. This is a wrong concept. Pronunciation. So time and tide waits for none. Time and tide, not time and tide waits for none. This is slang. Time and tide waits for none. So we are ensure that waits because it is a compound word. This is called syntax. I am going to teach you. So what is syntax? That we are very well acquainted that a pair of swords. A pair of swords is. Note that is also confusing. But these swords are. These swords are, we are using are. But a pair of swords is, a pair of seats symbolizes, जोटा का मैं कहूँ हले जूता जने ही पिंदी परियो. One can use a pair of shoes, not two. So it is simpler, very simple. But these swords, this is plural. अनेक जोड़ा है जूता. So that this is called that agreement of verb or syntax. को subject पाकरे को verb use करा जाए. Likewise, one of my friend or friends has or have been to abroad. So one of my friend or friends has or have been to abroad. That means one of my friends is correct, not my friend. अनेक बंधु भीतर जने, then definitely after one of the noun will be plural, but the verb will be singular. One of my friends, अनेक बंधु भीतर जने foreign country को जाइछन्ति. That means has, not have. Singular. In case of third person singular number, we use has, and others in the world, the subject we use have. So, just like as I, you, and he went there. But actually this is incorrect. I, you and he went there. This is incorrect. Because the order of pronoun is wrong. Then we have to see that you and you, he and I went there. You, he and I went there. That means the formula is that we have to remember 2, 3, 1. So 2 symbolizes second person, 3 symbolizes third person, 1 symbolizes first person. So this formula we only know 2, 3, 1, 231. एतिके हमको मने रखी देले it is easy to form. You is second person, he is third person, 1 is first person. So the correct is that you, he and I went there, but not I, you and he went there. This is wrong. So 2, 3, 1, we have to remember, we have to remind always 2, 3, 1. And in the other sense, it can be said that I, you, and he are to be blamed. Just to see, I is first person, you is second person, he is third person. The formula is 1, 2, 3. We have to remember 2, 3, 1 and we have to remember 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 is applicable for only in the sense of negative words. Negative meaning. If the sentence carries a negative meaning, definitely the formula will be 1, 2, 3. But besides negative meaning, then other we use 2, 3, 1. And all the sentence, ଆଉ ଯେତେ ସବୁ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ ଅଛି ତା ପାଇଁ ଏଇ ଗୋଟିଏ ଫର୍ମୁଲା 2, 3, 1. But only for negative meaning, right? Blame माने निंदा करिबा, this is negative. Praise, this is positive. आमे काहे को प्रशंसा करिया त सेटा होची पॉजिटिव मीनिंग, किंतु आमे काहे को ब्लेम करिया सेटा होची नेगेटिव मीनिंग. Any negative meaning carries in the sentence, the formula will be 1, 2, 3. This is called syntax. That means correct order of the sentence. How it will be a sentence, correct sense. This is called sentence. Likewise, the price of mangoes, the price of mangoes is going off. The price of mangoes is going up. In the sentence, the price of mango, this is subject. And this is a noun phrase. So what is noun phrase? Every subject is a noun phrase and every object is a noun phrase. प्रत्येक ऑब्जेक्ट भी नाउन फ्रेज को जाय परियो, प्रत्येक सब्जेक्ट भी नाउन फ्रेज को जाय परियो. एई जो सब्जेक्ट रे दीटा नाउन अछि, उटा होछि प्राइस, उटा होछि मैंगोज. बट द वर्ब इज, इट इज इंटरेस्टिंग. So among the two nouns we have to choose the head noun. एई दीटा नाउन भितरे मुख्य नाउन के सेटा को हम चूज करे. So how do you know? आमे जानिबा केमति मुख्य नाउन? Now the noun which determines the verb, the noun which determines the verb, this is called head noun. So आंबर मूल्य बढ़ी चलीछि means मूल्य ता होछि head noun, not mangoes. So that we are using each. So this is the foundation of grammars. को subject पाखरे को verb ता में use करिवो. Okay, so in this crucial situation and in this deplorable situations, only Kalinga territorial, it is a team of Balasar. That means a strong, affectionate team that always assists to you to give learning, okay, through online. That means physics, chemistry, mathematics and English, myself in English. So definitely if you are ready, we will provide you proper education, and sitting at home, definitely you get a golden opportunity of getting or accumulating a lot of knowledge through online classes from Kalinga tutorial. Since 5 years it has been done no doubt a very that excellent results. So last year best among best and Fakirman College our student jane thile ta bhitare and it is only a place where you can see that permanent faculties, not like others, but Kalinga is only one that you can feel that a permanent faculty. So through grammars I am teaching now syntax, that means subject verb. So which subject carries appropriate verb? Likewise, the dead, are respected everywhere. Just you listen. The dead are respected everywhere. So why not is, most of is or are? So actually are is correct, not is. The dead means all the dead people. The plus adjective which highlights and which evokes plural. समस्त मृत व्यक्ति मान को दी डेड को जाए. The dead, the rich, the poor are, the rich are, समस्त गरीब, the rich. The plus adjective. It is very easy to understand that the plus adjective. Where the subject is a the plus adjective, जो जगह रे subject a the plus adjective थी वो, dead is a adjective. Adjective means which qualifies noun. जो ता noun को qualify करे ताको हमें adjective कहूँ बा उड़िया रे ताको विशेषण बोली कहूँ. विशेष्य गुण को जो प्रकाश करे सेटा ला विशेषण. Very simply. So the dead always takes are. The verbs are, not is. Okay. So these are the foundation, key foundation of a sentence. So without making a sentence, we cannot go ahead. So through online coaching, Kalinga tutorial, okay, is trying to give you that definitely an excellent coaching for you, and sitting at home you can enjoy your class. It is not wise to spend your time. You feel that what is the meaning of educations in this period. तेणु आशा आम पुणी से फेरी से ग्रामर को जोटा कि बुझाऊली द डेट एक्चुअली परफेक्ट प्रोनाउंसिएशन इट इज मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट द डेट आर रेस्ट्रिक्टेड एवरीवेयर. ओके, सो व्हाइल वी से दैट ही इज वेरी गुड, he is very good, right? He is singular, then it takes is. Very simple. The dead, that the plus adjective which takes are. So the, he is very good, he is very good person, we can say also. So here good is adjective. Good, how we utter the word, he is very good, not good, he is very good. It is very significant to know each and every word's phonetics. But definitely that without phonetics we cannot speak English perfectly. So English is a language, that means window language, it is called international language, but it can enhance your career. Only English, so through English we can go ahead. You can go to abroad and different countries, and for making a job opportunities to your life, English is very essential. To enhance and for the greatest upliftment of your career, English is playing a vital role. It is part and parcel. It is no doubt a backbone of your life. English is backbone, really, that it can help and it can assist you making opportunities in your life. And it is an only educational institutions that where giving that speaking English and is should be given the coaching. Okay, that if you practice now, so in the pandemic situations, if you practice, okay, regularly, definitely you can speak fluently, because without fluency, we cannot go ahead. Definitely it is most important, most significant, and English is overall a hallmark of your personality and of your goal and of all career. So, definitely we learn the basic things of grammar, then you can speak English, definitely, okay, and some rules and regulations of the words of pronunciations. तेणु आम ये दुईटा जिनस गोटे वाक्य केमी तैयारी करवा जोटा कि सिंटेक्स बोली कह जाउची कौन सब्जेक्ट पाखरे को वर्ब बसिबो एंड विथ ए गुड प्रोनाउंसिएशंस दिस इज इंपोर्टेंट हाउ टू रीड इफ यू रीड 5 minutes रेगुलरली ऑफ कोर्स इट कैन हेल्प यू फॉर ए बेटर pronunciation but not pronunciation. Everybody is saying pronunciation, not pronunciation. But simply I am telling that one word. Actually, just to see, T-O, the students are telling and most of the teachers are telling to, and T-W, this is to. But it is wrong. Actually, the correct pronunciation of the word to, it is to, not to, it is to. And T-W, this is to. T-W, we say to. But T-O, we say to. It is the perfect phonetics. There is also that means rules of phonetics, how to utter the word perfectly in our life. Definitely all the students should be well acknowledged about the pronunciation of words like the dead, not dead, the dead are respected everywhere. To learn that sense of the clarity of the voice, definitely there will be an articulation box. In speaking English, it is essential through grammar. A grammar thore आम जानिबा प्रत्येक शब्दर गोटे परफेक्ट pronunciations. Like I am telling another sentence, then you can imagine that which verb is appropriate for every subject. Likewise, team. The team is the best. The team is the best. The team, it is a collective noun. समष्टिवाचक विशेषण जोटा को collective noun. So I am the collective noun. So the team is not are, because it is a single team, not two team. So we use is. So the team are wearing पिंधिबा जोटा हम कहबा wearing their uniforms. The team are wearing their uniforms. So in this sentence, team is are. We have to know that here team is here team is are how? Because the second, it refers to individual. When the collective noun refers to the members of all individual, then we use are. When the collective noun represents the whole one, definitely we use a singular verb. So at last, I am going to finish my class that exactly we have to know in English that English is an important language, window language, okay, for enriching your career. And you come to that online classes which is providing through Kalinga tutorial, okay. This is only for you, okay, +2 science integrated course, okay, and it is no doubt a very highlighting institutions in Balasar. Okay, goodbye.